Kernel XPS Viewer is a free and innovative tool that makes it easy to open, read, and analyze XPS and OXPS documents without relying on Microsoft's native viewer. The tool facilitates the need to access and view single files or multiple documents simultaneously. Add small to large files with high-quality viewing of every element in the XPS file, including text, images, and links. Kernel XPS Viewer is a perfect solution for businesses and individuals who want a simple yet capable tool for handling XPS files. Search and launch Kernel XPS Viewer. Once opened, you'll see a XPS and OXPS file format pre-selected on the screen among multiple formats. Now, under the Choose Files from Drive or folder, click on Browse to add the XPS files. Locate the files from your system local drive, and select single or multiple XPS file. The selected files will be displayed on the screen below, where you can check the specific files or all files. Then, click on Add Files to upload XPS files in the tool. You can see the documents loaded quickly on the side pane of the tool. From this interface of the tool, you can also add files if needed. Just click on the Add Document File option and browse the file using the same steps used earlier. Once you have added all the preferred XPS files, now you can remove any specific XPS file by clicking on the Remove Check Document File and then click on Yes to confirm. Also, you can remove all the files at once using the Remove All Document Files option. To view the XPS file, check any of the added XPS file and click on the View option. Wait for the file to load, and once the file is loaded you can check out the entire data of your XPS file. Once done, close the tabs individually or exit the viewer entirely. You can reopen the tool anytime to continue where you left off. Thanks for watching. To know more about the software, visit the link given in the description now. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. To explore more such insightful tutorials and help videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Have a great day.